In this video I will show you step by step the simple way you can crop your video. Okay, so either if the video is 16:9 ratio and you want to crop it to 9:16, I will show you how to do that simply. Okay, so let's get started now. So if you are new here and miracle updates, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video look professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's go into the main deal now. So we are going to use ucut. This is ucut over here. Tap on it, then let it open. Okay, once you click on the plus icon, then tap new project. Okay, so now import the video you want to work with. Okay, so I will import a random video over here. So this is the video I want to work with here. Click on the arrow to send it. Yeah, so you can see this video is in 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'll show you how to change it to any kind of ratio you want. Okay, so stay tuned as we proceed. So slide to this corresponding tune, slide this one on the top here, slide, you will see at the end you see crop. Click on the crop. Then once you click on this, you can see many types of crop you can use. You can use 1:1. This is 1:1. This is 4:5. This is 16:9, the one that we currently using. This is 9:16. This is 3:4, 4:3, 2:3, 3:2, 2:1, 1:2, 21:9. Okay, so can you see all this? So let me choose one for the purpose of this tutorial. And as you can see, these first four over here, they show you where you can use them. This 1:1 here, you can see Instagram logo to show you that this image size or video size can be used in Instagram. Is mainly for Instagram. You can see even the 4.5 is also mainly for Instagram. Then this 16:9, you can see YouTube logo over there, so it shows that it can be used for YouTube, is for YouTube. Then this is 9:16 is for TikTok. You can see the TikTok logo over there. Okay, so let me use 1:1 the Instagram size. Okay, so after clicking on it, then click on the check mark. So can you see the video has changed? Video aspect ratio has changed to 1:1 aspect ratio, which is best for Instagram videos. Okay, so one thing you should know is that once you change the aspect ratio of this, you have to cut off some parts in the video. Okay, that is one thing you should know whenever you are using the crop option. Okay, so you should know that you have to cut out some part. You can see, let me go back. This is the original video here. You can see this phone over here and this lamp over here. You can see it, but once you crop it, all those things will be gone because it will not be shown. Okay, you only have to crop a certain shape in the video or picture itself. Okay, so note this whenever you are working with the crop feature. Okay, so you can use it, then review some parts and delete some parts with a size. Or if you don't want to use this side, let me go back to crop. If you don't want to use this side that is being shown here, you can use your finger. You can use your finger to drag anywhere you want. Can you see how I'm dragging it? Let's leave it as the normal size. So you can use it and drag. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Just hold the thumb there, you can drag it. Let's say we want this part to show and we want to remove this part over here. So can you see it? Can you see how we just done this? So it depends on how you want it, then you can arrange it to fit in what you want. Alright, so can you see how I'm doing it? Just use your finger and drag it by holding the edge part. Okay, so you can even cut the head of the person. So you can do a lot here. Alright, so let me go back to the previous one we just did, which is 1:1 aspect ratio for Instagram. Okay, So if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, state the next video you want me to do for you in the comment section. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.